Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Let me show you how easy it is to attach your French drain to the downspout drain. You can see the downspout drain here on the side of the house, and we're actually going to install a French drain and attach it to that downspout drain. Lay out and attach your French drain pipes, and you can see how we brought that around the corner here, and we're going to tie into the downspout drain. Attach a T. Let's show you how to do this. This is something the homeowner can easily do themselves. First, we lay the T across the pipe. We make a measurement, a mark, to the inside of the coupling. Take your hacksaw and cut completely through the pipe. Only takes a few seconds. Next, lay your T across that piece again and make another mark to the other side on the inside of the coupling and do the same thing. Take your saw and cut right through, all the way through. Because this is corrugated pipe, it will, it will expand as you push it back and forth. So I can slide one side of the T on, wiggle it down, and now I can slide it back over the other side until it clicks together. That's really that simple. This is a great project for the do-it-yourselfer, and I really hope this video helps you out. I have received so many questions about encapsulation or moisture barrier in the crawl space. Which one should I do? I get that same question so many times. Well, sign up for our group Live Help. It's coming up soon, and I can answer all those questions, and you can actually learn from other people as they show you their problem down in their crawl space or in their yard if it's a French drain. But encapsulation or moisture barrier? Such a great question.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.
The other day, I was out on an estimate, and there was another company there at the same time, and he said, ma'am, we need to put a whole new system in because it's corrugated pipe, and it's just collapsed and full of roots. But did you notice that PVC fills up with roots also? And so I kind of interrupted the guy, and I said, do you have a drain cleaning machine? And he said, oh no, we don't need a drain cleaning machine. We just need to replace the pipes. It was kind of hard to listen to, but you've seen enough of our videos where we are able to clean all of these systems. Yeah, there's times that they are broken and collapsed and they do need to be replaced. But remember, a good drainage contractor would do the same thing that we do. And that is to say, let's try to clean that line first and find out what's going on. If it's broken or collapsed, at that point, yeah, we need to go ahead and install a new system.